Okay, so welcome back to my channel, and today we're going back to some unboxing Tomytec or Tomytec Limited Vintage Neo. And the model I got here today is the Mazda RX8 Type RS, the 208 version. So this is the blue one, as you can see on the box. The design is really nice with this triangle-ish. Yeah, to remind you, this is a rotary engine. This is like a Dorito spinning the engine. So this is the Renesis with multi-size port. This is the engine system of Mazda. Well, to talking briefly about the RX8, it starts from 204, as I remember, to about like 2013, as I remember. So this is the 08. Yes, so remove from the box. So as you can see, this is a bit the little sketch of the RX8. It's feel a bit cartoonish, as you can see. So I'm gonna unbox this seal to make you look, take a closer look. Yeah, the shop sealed this by themselves. Originally, this have no sealing, but the shop that I bought, they put sealing on. I feel it's okay. It's like extra protection, so I wouldn't mind if they do this. Yeah, the seals. Yeah, it's quite satisfying to unboxing with a seal. Yes, wow. Okay, so as you can see, this is like a purple-ish blue on the box. Yeah, it's just with white badges, logos, and just Renesis. Yeah, everything just look really nice and clean. And as you can see here, you got this RX8, a bit cartoonish. The graphics here look really nice. Yeah, and the back here you got the car, the actual model car, and the color of the car. And okay, so let's talk no more and let's open this. Oh damn. So as always, Tomytec always has a catalog, like a brochure for everyone to read the specification of the car. It's mostly in Japanese, but I can understand, like this is the RX8, this is the 13B rotary engine, and about 235 horsepower. It's quite decent for this thing. Yeah. So this are mainly in Japanese, right? And the engine spec I can understand a little bit. And so you got this sketch in here of the RX8. Yeah, same as outside. Outside you got the same display. Yeah, it's just really nice. And I like the blue details in here. Yeah, the blue details. You got your codes, your codes, and this look really nice. And also they have with the black one, but I think the blue one looks better because it didn't hide any like the details more than the black one. Although the black one looks really good also. Damn. All right, let's pull this thing out. All right, this dark blue Mazda RX8. Yes, and also I forgot to mention, they also give you this package is the engine cover of the car. So take a look here and take a look. Yes, it's really nice. Sorry for the camera quality, but I haven't. Yeah, sorry for the camera qualities. It's a little bit bad. Okay, it's better. And as you can see, the dark blue one with this dark rims, with this dark gray rims, as I can see. And also they come with brakes, like silver brake pads, as I can see. Yeah, it's black brake pads. And this is the facelifted, so it's got more aggressive styling than the 204. And back here you go, this exhaust and the muffle, and the underbody is very detailed, as I can see. The transmission, the exhaust, yeah, look really nice. And this can open the hood, but I'm gonna open it later on. So this is the blue with the black interior, which is a really nice combination. And also this weird graphic of the rear tail lights look really nice. It's a bit clear tail light. It's not it's like the Alteza tail lights in the trend, that trend. Yeah. So the inside you got this some really awesome recaro seats. Yes, in the type in the Spirit R it's a red one, but in this RS it's a black one, not the red one. Yes, as you can see, the headlights, it's really detailed. It's called metallic color. Yes, and the spirit also got the badge, the rectangle, no, the triangle badge in here. But this is just a RS. Yeah, it's look the same, but it's not a very different combination color. And as in here, I put here, so it's got suspension. Yes, it does got suspension. It's a really great quirks from the Tomica Basics, Tomica Premiums, and also this thing, the most premium in the Takara Tomy line, also features some really playful thing that you won't expect from a high quality. So it shines. Okay, so I'm gonna try to open the hood, but I don't want to hurt the paint because it's really fragile. I don't want to touch the hood. Well, there's nothing to open it. Yeah, unlike the NSX, this thing don't have anything to open the hood, and I'm really scared that I'm gonna screw it. Oh my god, it just hurts. I feel hurts when I do that. Alright, so as a detail here, you got this triangular stuff to represent this is a rotary engine. Same as the box, yeah, same as the box, right? So this triangular stuff to remind you, you are driving a 13B rotary engine. Okay, I can't open it. It's just too tight. Yeah. I can't open that. Damn. Alright. So it's really basics. Yeah, we've got a spoiler at the back. And don't know how to figure this out to open the hood. And to show you the engine. There's no tools that support me to open this. And it's really risky to open it. And I guess I won't open it in this video because I'm really scared to damage it. Overall, this is a really nice die cast. Yeah, this is the blue from the paint, the rims, the details. It absolutely worth the money that I spent on this, right? Nice. So the fun thing, this is not a regular coupe. It's a 2+2 coupe. So this door, both of these doors are open, right? This is a 4-door coupe. Well, the rear door can only open when the front door opens. That is like a quirks for Mazda RX8. So some people say this is not a spiritual successor to the RX7, but I think this is the successor to the RX7 but with a different character. Yeah, so it's less power. This is a NA, naturally aspirated, but I think it's gonna be really unique driving experience from the RX7. Yeah, so this is a kind of unreliable to some people, right? Okay, let's see it again. Okay, overall I really love this thing with the paint, the spec. This does came with some color like black, gray, white, red, but I think the blue looks the best in my opinion. Alright, everything looks really good, details, wheels, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to end this video right here. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.